Hello guys, so you might notice that I have a rubber glove on, and basically what we're going to be doing is it's like a spawn sack tutorial since it's in Coho season. These are fresh Coho eggs I caught on Saturday, I believe, so these are still pretty fresh. You can cure them with like pro cure bait. Sorry for the wait, but like this stuff right here, this works really good, and I'll probably do a egg tutorial in the future. And basically what we're making today are spawn sacks, so they look like these. And these can be fished for like hours on end, since you usually hours on end since you got the little mesh around them. Usually, I already got my eggs here, but if you had a row, what you do is you'd scrape the eggs off, but be really careful. I believe Addicted Fishing probably has a tutorial on this, but I'm just getting it out here again because there's not many tutorials on how to do this. So you want to have like a little shot glass. I'm not drinking, so letting you know. But yeah, so you take a little shot glass and you can find this mesh at like Coastal, I believe, definitely Cabela's, but where you can find it on online. It's just like mesh for spawn sack mesh or something. You can I just searched it up on like a coastal website. You'll take, depends on what type you get, but if you have ones that are already pre-cut, you'll just skip forward a little bit. But if you don't, and it's like this little roll, I'll show you. So you just want to cut like at least like a square or a little bit rectangular piece. Sorry if it looks like I'm shivering. It's really cold out here. I don't want to do it outside so I don't stink up the kitchen. I'm going to put that over the thing, and basically what this is going to do is it's going to enclose the thing so it's easier to make. So you got your mesh right here on top of the shot glass. Hopefully you can see that pretty good. I'm just pinching it so it doesn't like fall in. You'll get like a little bit. Sorry again, I just messed up there, but yeah, you'll just get, it doesn't really hurt. I'm doing this with my bare hands so that it's a little easier. I have a rubber glove on my underhand since I cut myself. But basically, you're just going to take some of your eggs and you're just going to lightly put them in like so. And what you're going to do is try to pinch all sides, make sure that there's no gaps, leaving out the eggs. Then you want to start twisting, and this will slowly like cinch down on the eggs. Oh, okay, ready. Go. But you can start seeing once it's starting to get a little juice out. But once you already twisted it, make sure not to let go because you don't want to lose all that. I got some soy thread here, so what I'm just going to do is I'm going to pinch this, and I'm just going to start wrapping a tiny bit, and then I'll get to my main thread. I'll start wrapping it. It's just to secure the front little bit. And all you're gonna do is you're just gonna cut this free. Okay, and then once you want to do that, you're just gonna snip. Once you have 3, don't do it too close so that it'll just slip right out, but like do it pretty close. And then you're gonna cut part off. Spawn sack. Here you go, you got your spawn sack, and then this is pretty good. You could fish with this for a while. Just like hook it on with like a bobber and egg setup or just fishing setup.
What you end up with.
This.
Okay. All right.
And this should be pretty good. And then there you go. And I just make.
How many you get?
So this is not 15, but I'm still making them.
Awesome.
Yeah, and you just drift fishing them. You can bottom drift fishing with the eggs. Just depends on what they're biting on. Here you go. Night.